So some of you have already found the answer to be 1/5. Let me check whether the answer is correct or not. And so the other one would be,
Sir, I used a method that 5 minus 4/5 equals to 1/5 because they are considering all the brown hats.
Sir, I use the method of multiplying 1/4 hats into 4 by 5 hats,
okay.
which
Okay.
gives 1/5.
All right.
I
All
also
right.
use the same method.
Uh-huh. So if we look at the second statement, he says he sold 1/4 of the hats, right? 1/4 of the hats were sold. So what is the total number of unsold hats?
3/4.
3/4.
3 by 4 x is the total number of unsold hats. Okay. So how many brown hats did we have? X by 4?
Yes, sir.
So out of this x by 4, what portion of the hats were sold?
So 4/5 was sold.
So brown hats sold, brown hats total were x by 4. So brown hats sold
So they
will be how much? 4/5 of x by 4. 4 cancelled. Then brown hats which are sold is x by 5, right? So how many brown hats are unsold? We'll have to subtract x by 5 from x by 4. So x by 4 minus x by 5 should give you x by 20. Am I right? So these x by 20 is the unsold brown hats. How many of you have been able to understand? Anybody who has not been able to understand?
Sir, I.
Sir, I.
Okay.
Sir, I.
Okay, you couldn't, which part couldn't understand?
Sir, I.
Okay. ये
So
समझ
how
आया?
did x by 20 come?
Okay.
In
All of you understood x by 4 कैसे आया? Brown hats total number?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Anybody who has not understood this? Okay.
Sir, I was not.
X by 4. So it is mentioned that if total hats were x, then 1/4 of them were brown. So the total number of brown hats will be x by 4. समझ आया?
Yes.
Okay. So the next part. How many of these brown hats were sold? It is said that 4/5 of the brown hats were sold. और brown hats कितने थे? X by 4. इस x by 4 का 4/5 sold हो गया. That means total brown hats sold कितने हैं? X by 5.
Yes, sir.
You multiply both these together, 4/5 of x by 4 gives you x by 5.
Yes.
Now we have to find out what fraction of the unsold hats are brown. So we have to find the brown unsold hats. Brown unsold. Got it? So what will I do? Total brown में से जो sell हो गए brown hats वो remove कर दूंगा. X by 4 minus x by 5.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? So you know how to subtract x by 4 and x.
Yes, sir.
माइनस एक्स बाई 5. तो एक कॉमन डिनोमिनेटर बनाएंगे हम. ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं आप. 5 इंटू एक्स माइनस 4 इंटू एक्स divided by 4 into 5, 20. So this is x by 20. Right? Now we have two quantities. First quantity is unsold, total unsold hats and unsold brown hats. दोनों मिल गए हमें. Now we have to find brown unsold divided by total unsold. Right? Brown unsold is x by 20 divided by 3x by 4. So what do we get? X by 20 multiplied by 4 over 3x. X cancels out. So 4 and 5 cancels out. 4 and 20. So we are left with 1 by 15. Right? So 1/15 of the unsold hats are brown. Understood?
Sir, can we do it without using x, like the total number of brown into the number he sold the brown hats?
Sorry.
Sir, can we do it like this, like the total number of brown hats into the number of brown hats he sold?
Into नहीं होगा ना बेटे.
I do it like that method and my answer come 1 by 5.
1 by 5 is not the correct answer. Answer is 1 by 15.
Okay.
Let me explain to you again. The total hats, let it be x. So the brown hats is x by 4. Right? He sold 1/4 of the hats. Fine. So out of the total x hats, he has sold 1/4. So 3/4 is remaining. So unsold is 3/4 of x. All of you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Total
Yes,
brown
sir.
hats is x by 4.
Yes, sir.
Right? Total brown hats which are sold is 4/5 of this. So let us calculate total brown hats which were sold. That is 4 by 5, 4/5 of x by 4, which comes out to be 1/5 of x. Right?
Yes,
So
sir.
this is brown hats which were sold. Now we have to find out the brown hats which were not sold. So total brown hats
Total
were
brown hats.
x by 4 minus x by 5. So if you calculate this, it comes out to be x by 20.
20.
So this is x by 20 is the total brown hats which are not sold. This part. Now we have to find out what fraction is this of this. So we have to divide them. So it will be x by 20 divided by 3x by 4. And you will get the final answer to be equal to x by 15. So 1/15 of the total hats are brown and unsold.